Naghahanap ka ba ng mura at dekalidad na rent-to-own condominium? May mababang cash out at walang babayarang down payment. Sa halagang 10,000 pesos, ikaw ay pwede nang makalipat. Dahil kung down payment lang ang pag-uusapan, wala ka nang kailangang bayaran kung ikaw ay Pag-ibig member. Bukod sa mababang cash out, mababa lang din ang babayaran ng monthly amortization. Maximum of 30 years to pay for as low as 19K monthly. May 2-bedroom ka na may sukat na 30.60 square meter. Starting TCP of 2.9 million, may 3% discount naman kung ikaw ay cash buyer. Sobrang dali lang maka-avail ng condo with these requirements. At least may 24 months Pag-ibig contribution, 2 valid IDs, payslip, and certificate of employment with compensation. Kaya ano pang hinahantay mo? Mag-reserve ka na ng unit dahil limited time offer lang ito kay Pag-ibig.